哎，可以了，好了好了。连接编码器。哦，外面 OK。行，都在嵌着。Hi everyone, hello, good afternoon, and this is Tina from ZHENXIN Ferroalloy. Today, welcome to our the living room. Welcome. How are you today? And today we will introduce the product nodulizer. And if you are interested in the ferrochrome, please leave the message, and you can view our website. And if you have any questions, you can contact us by email, by WhatsApp, by phone. Yes, wait for your contact. Nice to meet you on here, everyone. Hi. And today we will introduce the ferroalloys. So if you are working in the foundry industry or purchasing nodulizer, today leaves the seasons in very important for you. Yes, because today we will not only explain the product, but also show you how to choose the right nodulizer and avoid unnecessary cost. Yes, so before we start, I want to ask questions. Is your currently nodulizer stable? Yes. If you are not sure, type yes, and we can help you analysis it. Yes. Okay, the first let us introduce the nodulizer. We think the nodulizer is a function ferroalloy used in the ductile era production to modify the morphology of the gravity in the molten era. So in traditional cast era, gravity excites in the black form, which causes the strip concentration and reduce softness and impact resistance. We will introduce the number one, why the shape is more important the contact. Many integers initially assume that the medical property of the cast iron are determined by the chemical composition. However, in the metallurgical integers, the microstructures plays a more critical role than the composition alone. The key point is the composition and the microstructure. Even if the aerial composition is perfect controlled, if the grape white remain in black forms, the materials will still behave as a brittle iron. And the number 2 is the nodulizer calibration. The function of the nodulizer is to industrially achieve elements such as the magnesium and the raw earth materials into molten iron to change the growth plate of the grape. During the reaction process, the magnesium reacts with the sulfur and the oxygen. Sulfur testing of the modern aero exchange. Granted growth is a reaction. Spherical gravity is the format. And the nodulizer in the industry has the special meaning. The nodulizer is not just a raw material, but the critical control point in the entire ductile aero production system. So in the modern foundries, nodulizer directly affects the number 1 is the product yield rate. The number 2 is the script rate. The number 3 is the metrical consistency. Number 4 is the production cost. Number 5 is the customer acceptance rate. And the next we can analyze the nodulizer in the global market. The ductile aero industry is experiencing increased demand for the higher stabilities and the lower production cost. We have the different countries, different requirements, like the Europe focus on the machine stability and the certification standards. Like the Asia focus on cost optimization and the production efficiency. The Middle East is focus on black supplier and the long term available. Our company ZHENXIN Ferroalloy is a professional ferroalloy manufacturer with over the 20 years of the production experience. So are the production including like the nodulizer, like the ferrosilicon magnesium, like the ferrosilicon, like the silicon manganese, like the ferrochrome. Yes, this is a nodulizer. And our export in the market is the European, Middle East, and the South Asian, South America. Yes, so in the end, we will show and we will talk you about the nodulizer is not a simple additive, but a critical metallurgical control materials that determines the final performance of the ductile product. Yes, then let us to introduce the silent. And today, if you have the purchase need, contact us after the living season to get the free sample and the technical solutions. Yes. So if you want to get the nodulizers the sample, please contact us. We can send the test report If you want to need the sample, we can send you the free sample. Yes, but we think if you worry about the ferroalloy the qualities, please don't worry. We can accept the third party inspections about the order. Yes, you can use the third party like the BB, like the SGS, like the China third party inspection CCIC. But we think the China's inspection CCIC, the cost is uh the cost is workable. Yes. Okay, then let us introduce the nodulizer key point. The chiral function of the nodulizer is to change gravity structure in the model area. But many customers don't know this process is very sensitive. Even a slight mismatch can lead to the nodulizer failure. So we found a very common issue among global customers. Many factories are not in capital of the production, but using the wrong materials. So the wrong nodulizer leads to is a higher rejection rate, the higher cost the customer complains. Okay, and if you have the quality instability issues, contact us for free the technical analysis. Yes. So about the qualities, please don't worry. If you choose us, we will give you the best quotations and the best qualities. Yes. Because our company, my background is the production line. Yes, if you are interested are the product like the natural ferrochrome and are the other ferroalloys, please contact us. So we are not a trading company and we are the manufacturer. Yes, so we have the many collaboration with the different manufacturer, and in our factory we have the production line. Yes, yes. In the nodulator production line, our nodulator production including is the raw materials selection and the electric finances melting, the composition adjustment, the solidification, the crush and the screen, and the quality inspections. So every batch is strictly tested to ensure consistency. If you need a stable supplier, we can provide the long-term collaboration solutions. Yes, so are the nodulator in the white used in automotive, mechanical, paper, and the casting industrial. And many customers focus only on until price, but the real cost comes from unstable production results. Instability means is the more scrap, more rework, the higher totally cost. So if you are the under cost pressure, contact us and we can optimize your nodulator solutions. Different markets have the different requirement. So just we'll explain the different countries, the different requirements, and about the requirement like the Europe focus on the stability, the Asia is focused on the cost, the Middle East focus on the black supplier. Yes. So if you don't have the stable supplier, now it is a critical time. Okay, then let us show our the company and show our the company the video. You can learn about our the company and our office and our the production line. Okay, welcome. And then let us um answer some of the questions. The number one is could you provide the sample? Yes, sure. And we can support the sample to test. And if you want to, our send the sample to third-party inspections, and we can make it. Yes. And the next question is what is the MOQ? Are the MOQ is the one container. And the question three is your the specification can be the customized. Sure, and we will base on your the process. And the question four is the lowest price. Can you provide the lowest price? Yes, maybe these questions will receive the many silent these questions. So about the price, we want to say, if you want to the lowest price, but we can provide it. But maybe about the qualities have any control. Yes. But if you want to the good quality, good service, and good price, yes, we will provide our the best price. Okay, then let us introduce our the other nodulizer like the ferrosilicon magnesium. As we know, our the ferrosilicon magnesium is our the nodulizer. So about our the ferrosilicon magnesium is the ferrosilicon alloy added by magnesium, calcium, manganese, and the rare earths. It always refers to the ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer. And the nodulizer is mainly used in the production process of the Spheroidizing granite cast iron and the ductile iron. The function is to transfer flat gravity into the space critical gravity. The ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer can significantly enhance the strength of the cast iron. In addition, it also features the function of the degasification, desulfurization, and the dexidation. The nodulizer is widely used in the metallurgical and the steel-making industry. Among all the components in the ferrosilicon magnesium, the magnesium element is the one that serves the primary function of the nodulizer, affecting the ductile iron nodulizer result. And notice the different grade culture size can be customized as per the styling's requirement, such as the 5 to 15 millimeters, 3 to 25 millimeters, 8 to 40 millimeters, and the 25 to 50 millimeters. Yes. So the application of the ferrosilicon magnesium. The ferrosilicon magnesium is a common additive used in the steelmaking industry. In iron steelmaking, it is added as the nodulizer, the varometicularizer, and the inoculant. With a strong metallurgical strength, it works well in dexidation and the desulfurization. And number two is it can also be used as an alloy agent for the refining, dexidation, denaturation, and the neutralization of the harmful impurities with the lower melting point. By the solder solution alloy, the ferrosilicon magnesium can help to form new metal components with the impurity to the pretty the steel. And why choose our company the ferroalloy the magnesium? Number one, our company is located in Anyang City, where is the base of the ferroalloy productions. Number two is the ferroalloy manufacturing gathers here, and the customer can find the ferroalloy product they need here. With the policy support and convenient transportation, the price of the ferroalloy product here is competitive. And number three is our company specialized in the production of the nodulizer, which can produce magnesium is 3 to 8%, 5 to 8%, 7 to 8%, party size is like the 5 to 30 millimeters, 5 to 25 millimeters. Product specifications and grade can be customized according to the customer requirement. And the next step is our company has a rich experience in export and has a service long-time cooperation with the experienced freight forward. Professional freighter trade salesmen provide you with the 7-hour 20 online service. Yes, and we can provide the customer with a factory inspection reporter. Also introduce SGS, BV, CCIC, and other third-party testing. And are the ferrosilicon magnesium for sale. Ferrosilicon magnesium price on July 2023 is today's mainstream quotation of the rate are silicon 30. One step next in Inner Mongolia is the 1150 to 12000 yuan per ton. Yes. Okay, and if you want to learn more on the detailed quotations, please contact us by email or by WhatsApp. Yes, if you can check out the website. And then let us introduce the other product. And if you want to learn more on the other product, please contact us. Okay, and do you use the okay, today we also introduce the different size about the ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer, like the 5 to 15 millimeters with 5 to 20 millimeters. Yes, because we have the many customer from the different country about the ferrosilicon magnesium in the Delta era production. Choosing the right ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer size director affect magnesium recovery, spheroidization performance, and the casting qualities. So among the different specifications, like the 5 to 15 millimeters nodulizer and 20 millimeters nodulizer are the most commonly used in foundry and aero casting plants. And understanding their difference can help foundry improve treatment efficiency, reduce magnesium fading, and achieve stable ductile aero productions. And what is the ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer? The ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer, also known as the ferrosilicon magnesium alloy or the magnesium ferrosilicon alloy, is widely used in ductile aero magnesium. It helps to transform gravity from flat forms into the improving the tensile strength, elongation, and impact resistance and casting performance. Like the 5 to 15 millimeters ferroalloy magnesium nodulizer, the 5 to 15 millimeters size is one of the most popular specifications for the medium and the small ductile aero foundry. Because of its small particle size. It reactions faster during modern aero treatment and provide stable magnesium absorption. And the advantage of the 5 to 15 millimeters nodulizer, number one is the faster reaction speed, the better alloy distribution, and suitable for automatic feeding system. The lower residual magnesium fraction, the good for small and the medium lenses. Of the typical application is the ductile aero pipe productions, automotive castings, the precision aero casting, the small tonnage aero treatment. The 20 millimeters ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer is a 20 millimeter nodulizer is usually preferred for large molten aero capital and the heavy casting productions. Its large size allows the reaction rate and helps reduce violent magnesium reaction during the treatment. Advantage of the 20 millimeters nodulizer is the more stable reaction process, a reduced magnesium Spanish, and the suitable for high temperature molten aero, better for the large lenses and the heavy castings, the lower battery loads in some applications. The typical application is the large ductile aero foundries, the heavy metrical castings, the white powder castings, the large paper fight productions. Yes, so the key difference, the different size, the key difference is the 15 nodulizer and the 20 millimeters nodulizer. The first we will introduce the 5 to 15 millimeters nodulizer. The 15 millimeters nodulizer, the reaction speed is the faster, the magnesium recover is the stable, the suitable finance size is the small or the medium. The treatment process is the repeat. The casting type is the precision castings. The Spanish control is the modern rate. And about the 20 millimeters nodulizer is the reaction speed is the slower. The magnesium recover is stable for large volume. The suitable finance size is large. The treatment process is controlled. The casting type is a heavy casting. The Spanish control is better. So you can, according to your production line requirement, to choose the different size, the ferrosilicon, the magnesium. Yes, and choose the correct size depends on is one is the molten aero capacity. The number two is the treatment temperature. Number three is the casting type. And the number four is the process stability requirement. How to choose the right ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer supplier. A reliable ferrosilicon magnesium supplier should provide one is the stable magnesium composition. Number two is the low impurities. Number three is the consistent party size. Number four is the strong package protections. Number five is the stable long-term supplier. And the many Foundry fence problems such as number one is the unstable spheroidization. Number 2 is the excessive slack generation. Number 3 is the inconsistent magnesium recovery. Number 4 is the irregular size distribution. And working with an experimented nodulizer manufacturer helps reduce production risk and improve casting consistency. So in the conclusions, both the 5 to 15 millimeters and 20 millimeters ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizers have important roles in ductile aero productions. The right specification depends on the treatment process, casting size, and the molten aero capacitance. For foundries seeking stable magnesium recovery, long impurity, and consistent spheroidization performance, choosing a professional ferrosilicon magnesium nodulizer supplier is just as important as choosing the right party size. Yes, so if you want to learn more about the ferrosilicon magnesium, the size, specification, and the test report, please leave the message. And the next step, we will introduce the third-party inspections. Okay, then let us view the manufacturing video. Yes. Yes, and have you view are the company and the view are the production line? Do you have any questions? And do you want to learn more about our the production line and about our the company? Okay, then let us introduce our the third party inspections. The why buyer require SGS testings for our the product or the for the first purchase it. In the recent years, more steel milling and the alloy traders have the start asking for SGS reporters before shipment, especially for our the product. So our the buyers care a lot about whether the actually condition match the contract. We have the seen many customer compare sales supplier at the same time. Price matters, but stable contact. So about our the contact we reliable size and usually want to decide the long term the conversions. Like our the what does the SGS usually test for our the ferrosilicon magnesium? Like our the ferrosilicon magnesium shipment, SGS milling checking the chemical composition and the cargo conditional before loading. The common testing items including the different contact. Yes, we will according to your requirement to test the different contact. Some we also have some customer also request photo sampling video and the loading supervisions together with our the SGS reporter. Why buyers care about the SGS reporter is like a lot of the buyers have the experienced problems before. The composition was different from the contract, or the lamp size was not correct after the unloading. For steel production, even small condition difference can affect the final result. The high physical force or the unstable carbon contact many create exchange trouble during the smelting. And that's why many buyers prefer suppliers who can support the third-party inspection before the shipment. So about the different grades usually focused on the different test points. And all the SGS inspection helps to reduce purchase risk. Yes, this is the very important. And for overseas buyers, it's not easy to visit every factory in person. SGS testing giving by the more confidence before the shipment. It also helps avoid disputes after cargo arrives the port. So in many export order, SGS inspection has already become the part of the normal shipment process, especially for the black ferroalloy cargo. Yes. So this is what buyers usually ask before. This is before the plan C and order. Let's see, and order, many customers will ask questions like, can you provide the SGS before shipment? And is the contact stable between the batch? Can you control below the requirement level? And do you support customized size? And can you arrange loading bottles? And these questions are becoming more common in the ferromagnetics export business. So choosing a reliable ferromagnet supplier, a reliable supplier is not only someone offering a low price. Most of the buyers are looking for is stable qualities, fast communicate, export experience, flexible package, SGS support, and long-term supplier stabilities. So for repeat customer consistency is usually more important than temperature low parties. So the conclusion is the SGS inspection has become a key part of the ferromagnet export control, especially for the magnet control. And the size consistency for buyer. The third-party analysis helps reduce the qualities deviation and the shipment dispatch will ensure stable alloy performance in steelmaking applications. Yes, so this is according our the productions and about our the ferrosilicon magnets. Yes, so if you want to buy the ferrosilicon magnets and if you want to learn more about the ferrosilicon magnesium, so please leave your the message and you can check our the website. Okay, the next step, let us introduce our company's other products, like the natured seriously ferroalloys, because our company is the natured ferrochrome, the manufacturer. Yes, so we can provide the natured ferrosilicon, natured ferrochrome, natured silicon magnets, and natured ferromagnets. So if you want to need the natural ferrosilicon product, please contact us. And compare the silicon magnets or the ferrochrome. Or the nature, seriously the product will provide the raw materials qualities. Yes, will add the production successful production the strength. Yes, and using the high quality the stainless steel. Yes, and we also can provide the calcium alloy like the calcium metal, calcium silicon. So if you want to learn more about the calcium product, you can leave your the message. And about the calcium metal, we can provide the small size powder and the lamp. Yes. And about the calcium silicon, we also provide the small size powder and the lamp. Yes. So about our the calcium silicon, we export the different to the countries like the South American, like the Middle Asia, like the Europe. Yes. So if you are interested in the calcium alloy, please contact us. And we also provide the alloy called beer, like the calcium cold-wear, like the calcium aero cold-wear, like the calcium silicon cold-wear, like the carbon cold-wear. Yes. So if you want to learn more on the cold-wear product, we can share with you with our this product the production line video, and we can provide our the technical sheet. Yes, so you can tell us your requirement. We will according to your requirement to provide our the best specification, best introduce, best our the TDS, best and will provide our the COA. Yes. And about our the ferrosilicon seriously the product, like the ferrosilicon slag. Yes, about our the ferrosilicon, we can provide the ferrosilicon 70, ferrosilicon the 72, ferrosilicon the 75. Yes, and about our the ferrochrome, we can provide the high carbon ferrochrome, middle carbon ferrochrome, and the low carbon ferrochrome. And we also, according to your requirement, to production it. Yes, because recently yes, we received the many customer requirement the ferrochrome the specification is not the China national standard. Yes, so are the factory will according to your requirement to production it. Yes, to control the contact this specification. Yes. And are the other products we can provide are the ferromagnesium, and this product is also are the advantages product. Yes, because the ferromagnesium we also can provide the high carbon, middle carbon, and low carbon. But like the ferrochrome, we have the many customer will according to your different country standard to provide our their requirement. Yes, and our factory will according to your detailed requirement to give us the production plan. Yes, then we will according to your detailed specification to production it. Yes, and we can meet your the production requirement about the size, about the specification, about our the different steps service. Yes. And the next product we can provide the silicon manganese, electric manganese metals, and the silicon metals. About the silicon metals, we can provide the different specification, like the silicon metals 553, like the silicon metals 2202, like the silicon metals 441. Yes, we will according to your the detailed specification to provide. Yes, and the other production we also provide the ferrovanadium, the ferromodule battery, the ferronium, the ferronickel, the ferrophosphate, the atomic ferrosilicon, inoculant, nodulizer, high carbon silicon, silicon carbage, carbon resin, and the silicon briquette, magnesium ingot, and white aluminum oxide powder. Yes, and so this product is we can provide it. So about our company the quality control, when we production it is successful, we will test it in our company lab. Yes, and we also have the certification is the ISO 9001 certification. Yes, about our the ferroalloy, we need the export license. Yes. So please don't worry, we can provide all documents. Okay, let us in the end let us view the company video the last one. Yes, so you can point to check the production line, our company, our office environment, and the manufacturing environment. Yes. So about control and the quality control. In the end, let us introduce the quality control. As the Choose Ferroalloy, the supplier, our company provides the quality control, inspections, and the technical service. We have the completion quality control measure all through the production process. This including number one is the chemical analysis of the raw materials, chemical analysis of the liquid when melting, the particle size distribution test, and the other physical tests, and the chemical analysis before load and the transport, and the third-party inspections such as the SGS, like the CCIC. So all ferroalloy the product are inspection in the authoritative institute and the manufacturing according to the given standard by customized. Also, we accept the third-party inspection at times. Yes, so in the end, let us view the company video. Okay, and okay, today we introduce the production, the ferrosilicon magnesium, and in the end we view the manufacturing the video. So if you are interested in the ferroalloys and if you want to learn more about the ferroalloys, please contact us, and we will provide the best quotation, best service. Yes, and you can check out the website, and you can contact us by email and or by WhatsApp. And if you need the urgently feedback and urgently information, and you can call us. Yes. So today the living is ending. Next time. See you next time. Bye bye.